If you just finished creating your landing page and wondering how to add a thank you page in your GoHighLevel funnel, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you step by step how to add and connect a thank you page in GoHighLevel, so you can complete your funnel and start converting leads like a pro, even if you are just getting started. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to work smarter, not harder. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link from the description for the 30 days free trial link, the live bootcamp access, and some exclusive bonuses. So check the link from the description and let's get back to the video. Now once you are inside of your GoHighLevel dashboard account, just click on the sites from the left side panel and select the funnel where you want to add a thank you page. Let's say I want to add a thank you page in this dental funnel. Open this. See, it has two pages, the home page and the appointment. Let's say I want to add a thank you page here. So just scroll down and click on this add new step or import. Now give it a name and click on this create funnel step. Now click on this create from blank. Now let's build this page. First of all, I want to add a column here, and let's say I want to add a heading. By saying thank you, I will write here. So simply I wrote here thank you for booking. I want to add a button here. So this is the button and it will be go to home. Okay, so I want people will be redirected on home after getting here the thank you page. So I wrote here go to home, and let's set the action for this button and click on this link to. You can see there is an option for this website URL. So whenever you will see this page thank you for booking, if you click on this go to home, you will be redirected on the website URL, that means the home page. So just publish this or save this one, and that's it basically. Now get back to the funnel and you can see there is a new page here, the thank you page. So that's it basically. If you want, then you can preview this page by clicking here. Say this is our thank you page, and if visitors click on this, they will be redirected on the website URL. So that's it basically. This is how you can easily add a thank you page inside a funnel. Now if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.